Here we're going to mark out and cut a rock. We're going to line this up on our stone and black the entire back end. This is so it's easier to see when we're working on it. Then we're going to get a brass or aluminum marker and we're going to go around here. This leaves a little brass line right at the edge. We don't mind if the marker bleeds, it actually helps. We turn our saw on. We make an initial cut so that it's easy to see when we turn it around, and this controls braking. And I forgot to put my glasses on. From here, we're going to do the same thing. This gives us a little cube around our project. Now, we do not want to cut through the corner straight. What we want to do is imagine a little dot, or actually draw a little dot right here at each corner. We're going to aim from the side through the dot. This keeps you from cutting through your pattern. It also gives you a rather rounded shape. Every corner should get at least 2 cuts. And my rock just broke on me. We have to start over. So my rock broke, so I'm going to start a new one. Again, we mark out, filling the entire back of the area in. We get our brass, aluminum, or copper rod and sharpen it and go around there. This gives you your little don't go past line, which is a gold line, stands out. We're going to put our safety glasses on. All the way through the rock. This gives you a little cut line that you can see even if it gets wet. We cut a general cube out of our project. If we're too close to our line, we aim for the outside so it breaks all directions. Tends to control our brakes. So here we want to imagine or put a little dot in each corner. And we're going to cut from the edge to the dot. And we're always going to make 2 cuts for every corner. A generally rounded effect. Now we can grind this in from here, but this is a lot of material. To save time, we press it against the blade, flex it just a little, and drive one shaving off. sun. It saves us time when we're grinding. If you do it on one side one day, do it on the other side the next day. This will help even the wear out on your blade. So this is a much closer cut. Now you can use the saw and eventually wear this blade into a point. The point is hard to keep from veering one way or the other, so we tend to flatten the end of the blade off. We get a little abrasive prick, and we clean that off to flatten it. The flatter the edge, the faster it cuts. Now if you're starting and you notice rust on your blade or buildup, get 2 pieces of abrasive, place it on either side, and grind that off. If you do this periodically, it'll help straighten your blade out, and it'll keep you from binding. Stop just before you hit the teeth. This allows you a shape that's a lot closer, and it keeps your blade true. That's it for this. Thank you. So to review this part, we're not sure you saw it when we were doing this. We get our little blob of wax nice and soft. We get a wet spot on our countertop so it doesn't stick. We roll it in that. This centers it on our stick. Then we press down on this little end till we get a blob. This is what we're going to stick to our stones. Thank you for watching that part.